Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. We do get rear park sensing, backup camera, tow hitch receiver with a hard folding tonneau cover, tailgate step, got the nice blacked out rims, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated mirrors, and moving to the front we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space. In the back, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt with USB-C, 120 volt with a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 69,023 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometer, my view, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, this collapsible storage cup holders, more storage here with outlets, center console with tons of storage. We do get four-wheel drive, drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate. Up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our backup camera, hazards and tractions, media controls. You got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, phone controls with your fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8389, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.